We'll guide you through how to record Google Meet in Google Classroom. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, turn on your PC or computer and wait until it is fully ready to use. Then open a browser. For example, here I use Google Chrome. To open it, double-click the Google Chrome icon on your desktop and wait for the browser window to load completely. In the search bar, type classroom.google.com, then press Enter to access your account. After that, select one of your available classes from the dashboard. Next, click Google Apps in the top corner, scroll down, and find Meet. Click Meet to open it. Then click New Meeting and choose Start an Instant Meeting as an example to begin the session. Once the meeting room opens, click the Meeting Tools icon to see the available features. You need a premium workspace account to access the built-in record feature. If you do not have access to that feature, you can use an alternative method. Click the Windows search bar and select Snipping Tool from the suggested results. After the application opens, change to the video icon. Then click New to start preparing the recording. Adjust the screen area that you want to record so it captures the meeting window clearly. Next, the recording will start, and when you are finished, simply end the recording. After that, make sure you save the recorded file to your computer. Open your browser again and go to Google Drive to store the file online. Select the recording folder, then upload the recorded file there and wait until the upload process is complete. Get the video link by copying the file link from Google Drive. Go back to Google Classroom, then click New Announcement to share the recording with your students. You can upload the file directly, but here I choose Add Link. Then paste the link and click Add Link. The same link can be reused, making it easier when you want to share it or upload it to another class. Write a title to make it easier to identify, such as Recording Day 1, then click Post. Check the result, and your Google Meet recording in Google Classroom is successfully shared. Your students can now access the recording anytime through the class stream.